Okay, we're going to go over what you should have found for the activity. So if you drew your diagrams correctly, they should look like this. So the first thing you should do is check to see that you did indeed draw them correctly. And you should have them placed like this in order of their group and their period, going across and down each column and row. So some of the patterns that you can see is if you take a look at each group, for example, group 1, they all have one valence electron, which means they have one electron in their outer shell. That's a key pattern that you'll notice for each group. And the only group that doesn't follow that pattern is the noble gases. But what pattern you should find here is that all of them have a full outer shell. The outer shell is full for all of them. The rest of them follow the pattern. Other patterns that you can see as you go down family or group, the number of shells increases by 1 each time you go down. And if you go across a period, each period, the number of shells is the same for each element. So hydrogen has one shell, helium has one shell, and lithium has two, and all of these elements in the second period all have two shells. The number of electrons goes up by 1 as you move across the periodic table. And there's also a number of other patterns that you can see. So some of them are summarized here, and you might have some that are not listed here. But those are some of the key ones.